Today is March 22nd, 2018. This is in Weymouth, Nova Scotia. We're driving in from the Fort Point Road area. It's just brutal out here.
We're just past the post office and we're almost home. The liquor store is coming up right now. And I'm about to make a right turn to get home. And after we get home, this crush will be down until tomorrow or the next day.
Yeah, we're not going out again today.
I gotta go help my buddy tomorrow with a couple of pigs. Half of one of them is mine, so I'm just gonna go there and help out, you know. But
see that jerking and popping around? We're doing 20 clicks, and the roads are so bad they're making us slip all over.